If you're a newbie or a beginner in the world of tools, it's quite obvious you lack confidence in using power tools. This is because power tools require more skill and experience compared to the handheld models. That's why we have made this list of some power tools for beginners. At first, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Circular Saw. Though this tool is built for professional carpenters, remodelers, and contractors, it's also ideal for all the newbies. This saw leverages advanced cordless technology to deliver powerful cutting performance, making it ideal for tough applications. With a power state brushless motor running at 6,000 RPM, it maintains speed even under heavy loads, allowing you to tackle demanding tasks efficiently. On top of that, the RedLink Plus electronic system protects the tool from overload, overheating, and over-discharge. When paired with an M18 HD12 battery, this saw can deliver up to 750 cuts per charge. Designed for all-day use, the saw is ergonomic, compact, and lightweight, reducing fatigue during extended cutting sessions. The next tool is going to be a great choice for beginners working in small or large gardens. The STIHL HSA26 Cordless Shrub Shears. This shears is an easy-to-use tool and packs a powerful punch, so you can easily tackle all the trimming tasks. This tool comes with a lightweight design and perfectly balanced structure that makes handling a breeze and ensures precise, comfortable work. It also features a non-slip control handle that adds to the ease of use, making it ergonomic for all users. It features a wide grass trimmer for fast cutting and a tool-free blade replacement system, allowing you to switch blades quickly for different tasks. The lithium-ion battery provides long cutting times, and you can easily check the charge level with the indicator button. Plus, the shears are compatible with all AS system batteries, giving you flexibility in your garden work. The secure fit covers make storage and transport safe and easy for added convenience. Ryobi 4-in-1 Stapler Nailer, a versatile tool that's perfect for beginners in the woodworking field. This compact and lightweight tool can drive 4 different types of fasteners, including light and heavy-duty staples, round crown staples, and even brad nails. With the included USB Lithium 3 amp-hour battery, you can fire over 600 staples or nails on a single charge, giving you the freedom of cordless power. Its design allows for easy access to tight spots and reduces fatigue during extended use. Whether you're working on upholstery, installing insulation, fastening chicken wire, or more, this tool handles it all with precision. The battery also features a USB-C port, so you can charge your mobile devices on the go. Plus, it has an LED indicator that shows you when the battery is charged or running low, so you're always prepared for your jobs. Are you a newbie on the field? You're probably looking for a jigsaw that combines precision, power, and ease of use? So meet the Makita GVJ01 Barrel Grip Jigsaw. This tool might be the one you need. It features a 40-volt Max XGT brushless motor that delivers 20% faster cutting speeds and reduces vibration by 30%, making your cut smoother and more efficient. Not just that, this tool comes with an ergonomic barrel grip design which allows you to get closer to your work for better control and accuracy. With 3 orbital settings and a straight cut option, you can tackle a variety of materials with precision. Plus, its constant speed control ensures steady performance, even during heavy-duty tasks, making it a great choice for those new to woodworking. The Dewalt DCS 355P1 oscillating multi-tool is a versatile and powerful tool that's perfect for beginners looking to tackle a variety of tasks. Its 18L XR brushless motor provides up to 57% more runtime compared to similar tools with brushed motors, giving you longer working time between charges. Changing blades and attachments is a breeze with the Quick Change accessory system, which doesn't require any tools. Plus, the universal accessory adapter makes it compatible with most other oscillating tool accessories. The Dewalt Grip variable speed trigger gives you full control over the tool's speed, allowing you to adjust it to suit different tasks. Whether you're cutting, sanding, or scraping, you can customize the depth or height using the Dewalt oscillating tool guide system for precise and repeatable results. A bright LED light illuminates your work area, making it easier to work in dark or tight spaces. This tool is user-friendly and designed to help you get a wide range of jobs done efficiently. Next, we have the Hart 20-volt impact. Driver is a powerful tool that's great for beginners looking to take on tougher projects. With 1,800 inch-pounds of torque, this impact driver can handle demanding tasks like driving large screws or bolts with ease. It has a 1/4-inch quick connect chuck that makes it fast and simple to change bits, so you can switch between tasks without hassle. The variable speed trigger gives you full control over how fast you drill or drive, reaching speeds up to 2,600 RPM for quicker results. An LED work light helps you see clearly in dim areas, while onboard bit storage keeps extra bits close at hand for convenience. You can even drive up to 300 screws per charge with the included 20-volt battery. Every beginner finds comfort with tools that's easy to use but still packs a punch. That's why we have kept this Ryobi 18-volt HP brushless compact router on the list. The perfect tool for beginners who want power and precision. Equipped with 1+ HP technology, it delivers more power, longer runtime, and durability, thanks to its advanced brushless motor and high-performance lithium battery. Cutting through tough woods is a breeze with this tool. It features a quick release lever for easy base removal and a micro-adjust dial for precise depth control. The router also works with standard 1/4 shank bits, and its dual LED lights ensure clear visibility. With an edge guide and sight window, you can make accurate cuts every time. Plus, the variable speed dial allows you to adjust the speed for different tasks. This tool is a perfect blend of performance and user-friendliness, making it ideal for beginners in woodworking. When someone tool enthusiast hears the name Milwaukee, they just relies on them for any kind of project, no matter the tool is big or small. So, say hi-i to this compact yet powerful sander from Milwaukee. This M12 Orbital detail sander might be just what you need. Perfect for beginners, this compact tool is designed to give you precise sanding, especially in tight corners and tricky spots. Powered by the M12 fuel system, it sands faster and delivers a smooth, stain-ready finish, making your projects easier and more efficient. This sander is built with a Power State brushless motor and RedLink Plus technology, giving it twice the material removal speed compared to traditional hand sanding. Its unique pad shape allows for accurate sanding in corners, and the 1.5mm orbit diameter ensures a clean, consistent finish. At only 1.3 pounds, it's lightweight and comfortable to use in any position, and the counterweight mechanism reduces vibration so your hands don't get tired as quickly. These Bosch VISIMAX next-generation point lasers are perfect for beginners who need precise alignment. With green beam technology, these lasers are up to 4 times brighter than standard red beams, which makes them easier to see on the job. The exclusive Bosch VISIMAX technology ensures the laser delivers maximum brightness in any condition, while also preventing the laser from overheating. The 3-point and 5-point laser models are designed to quickly level, plumb, and align points. The smart pendulum system self-levels and locks when turned off to protect the unit. Its compact design fits easily in tight spaces, and with 360-degree rotation, you can use it almost anywhere. Plus, it comes with strong magnets and a hard carrying case for easy transport. Whether you're a beginner or just want a user-friendly tool, this laser helps get the job done accurately and efficiently. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.